the deeper question about AI is what's the purpose of it? And the thing that's only fearful when you understand the real nature and the darkness of this reality of ignorance and unconscious behavior is that people that are creating AI are robots.
Make a trade?
Looks like another hedge fund manager.
Now, to reconnect to your earthly body.
What am I doing with my life? I'm alive! I'm alive! Free yourself!
They're not, in a sense, humans with a soul. Their soul is outside of their body because they're in their head. They're not integrated with the energy of love, their true self. They have an ego that they believe is me. And they believe the thoughts of me, the beliefs that they hear in their head are me, when that's like you're forgetting who you really are.
Wait, you just took AI to a whole other level there. You know, so you're